What's up, food lovers? Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Tony Two-Ton, and today we're gonna cook some easy shrimp fried rice. All we need is one big wok or non-stick pan to cook the fried rice in, 1 day old refrigerated cooked rice, and of course some shrimp. These are clean, deveined. You can chop it up if you want, but I like to do it whole. So if you're ready, let's get to cooking. Let's go.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
First, with the rice, you want to break it up. This is overnight rice. Usually fried rice is made from leftovers, so you want to break all these apart. So with these shrimp, it's already been cleaned and deveined. All you need is just take out the shell. Like that, easy. And I like to have the whole shrimp itself. So with eggs, you either just fry it whole like this, or I like to mix it up. Put in a bowl. Oil. Fry the eggs. Mix it up. Oil. Shrimp, garlic, cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in your rice and eggs, your peas and carrots, and then the soy sauce. Few pinches of black pepper. Mix it up. Butter. Mix it till the butter is dissolved. Turn off the heat. Voila. Finish. So here you go, guys. Shrimp fried rice. Crazy, good, delicious, and easy. All right, taste test. I'll take a big bite. Double shrimp, look at that. Chunky shrimp. Shrimp is not overcooked. Very important. The rice, seasoning right, and crazy good. Well, guys, I'm gonna finish this up. If you like the video, smash the like button for me. And if you like my style, consider subscribing. And please share if you like the recipe. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.